All right, this is Ray the CPA here coming at you. One of our favorite topics is the Paycheck Protection Program, so I wanted to put together a quick vid on that subject. So I've been advising my clients and anybody that asks me to wait a little bit. We have until the end of this year to fill out your forgiveness form to still be eligible, so there's no hurry. With everything moving so fast, you want to make sure that you have the time to thoughtfully approach your forgiveness. Many of us who have applied for PPP or are using the funds, we're still adjusting to what we have to use these funds on. So remember, it's qualified business expenses and mostly costs related to payroll. So there's something new in the air. All right, so a lot of bankers are behind it. It has a bipartisan support, and the idea is automatic loan forgiveness for loans that were under $150,000. So the way it works is it's like the 80-20 rule is in effect. So what's been happening is 85% of the people that applied for the loans received $150,000 in funds or lower. The remainder, the remaining 20% of folks had $150,000 or had $151,000 or more, and they've taken, that small 20% has taken 74% of the funds. So the risk is in the higher loans. So why not put forth a streamlined process? So I believe it's Senator Marco Rubio is on it. And again, if you remember, he was also involved in bringing forth the extension for the Paycheck Protection Program. Now, we don't know when this is going to be. Right now, it's the end of August, going into September. Right now, Congress is on a break except for the hearings that they're having with the United States Postal Service. So, although it's up in the air, there are some key indications that this might work. One, banks are all for it because the loan forgiveness form presently is over 11 pages long, and it's like, your least favorite algebra test. Okay? Overly complicated, lots of things to go through, and if you receive 20 grand, it's a lot to go through to get forgiveness for 20 grand. As opposed to the new process would essentially be you would attest. So I would imagine there would be a very streamlined form for those people that had $150,000 or less. Very streamlined, where you would basically on the honor system say, listen, I use this for qualified business purposes. I am not saying to you, clients, friends, countrymen, women, country people, I'm not saying to you, don't keep any support because my name is Raymond Documentation Wilburn. You want to keep your appropriate documentation at all times because that's the key to your business. Remember, accounting, all accounting is translating your business into a universal language so that you can compare your business to prior year's business, to other businesses. It's a common language. That's all it is. Anyway, back to streamlined PPP. So my advice to you as your accountant is to wait, just wait a little while. Let's wait another 30 days and see how things shake up. Because again, if I have both sides of Congress supporting it, our president hasn't said that he doesn't support it, and you have the banks, basically everybody's supporting this thing. The only thing stopping it is time. So give it a little while. Let's hang back. Let's thoughtfully approach this. In the meantime, always keep your documentation, and remember, standalone documentation stands alone. Nobody should have to, solve a major riddle to understand what you're trying to do. Have the five W's: who, what, why, where, when, and you should be good. Okay? As always, it's a pleasure talking to you guys. Try to enjoy yourself, enjoy your day. Ray the CPA. If this information is helpful, remember to subscribe, like this video, share this video with whomever may need it, and that's your PPP August 24th update. Bang bang.